The DJI Mini 5 Pro has quickly become one of the most talked about drones among enthusiasts worldwide. This lightweight and compact drone is generating excitement because it represents the next evolution of the popular Mini series. Even though DJI recently launched the Neo drone, which is more focused on casual vlogging and everyday moments, the Mini 5 Pro is stealing the spotlight for its potential to elevate aerial photography to new heights. In this in-depth look, we will explore the rumored features, possible release timeline, and exciting upgrades that could make the Mini 5 Pro a game-changer for both beginner and experienced drone users who crave high-quality performance. The legacy of DJI's Mini series. The DJI Mini series has consistently set the benchmark for lightweight, high-performance drones. With each iteration, DJI has showcased just how much capability can be packed into a small, lightweight frame. The Mini 5 Pro is no exception, and enthusiasts are eager to see how it will push the boundaries even further. A key selling point of the Mini series is its sub-250g weight, which keeps it within the legal limits in many regions, such as the United States, where users can fly it without needing an FAA license. This makes it an attractive option for beginners and casual users who want a drone that is both easy and fun to fly without regulatory headaches. Potential upgrades and features. 1. Improved camera sensor. One of the most exciting rumors surrounding the Mini 5 Pro is the potential inclusion of a 1-inch sensor, a significant upgrade from the 1/1.3-inch sensor found in the Mini 4 Pro. A larger sensor translates to several benefits, including enhanced image quality, more detailed and sharper photos with improved color reproduction, better low-light performance. The larger sensor can capture more light, making it ideal for sunrise, sunset, and night photography. Higher dynamic range, improved shadow and highlight details for more professional-looking images. DJI seems to be focusing not just on higher resolution but also on improving color science, textures, and contrast to deliver cinematic quality footage. 2. Advanced AI tracking and subject detection. Every new DJI model introduces smarter subject tracking capabilities, and the Mini 5 Pro is expected to take this a step further. Enhanced tracking features could include more accurate object recognition, the ability to follow fast-moving objects like cars, bikes, or running individuals with greater precision. Improved stability, smoother and more natural tracking movements that make the footage appear professionally shot. Easier controls for beginners. AI-assisted flight features that reduce the learning curve, allowing users to focus on capturing the perfect shot. 3. 5G connectivity for enhanced transmission. Connectivity is another area where the Mini 5 Pro could shine. Rumors suggest it might include 5G connectivity, offering smoother live video feeds, reduced latency and clearer real-time visuals. Enhanced range and reliability. Stronger connections even in areas with potential interference. Live streaming capabilities. High-quality live broadcasts directly from the drone to social media platforms. 4. Extended flight time. Battery life is always a top priority for drone users. The Mini 4 Pro offers around 40 minutes of flight time, and it's expected that the Mini 5 Pro will either match or exceed this. DJI is known for optimizing battery efficiency without compromising weight, so we might see more efficient motors, delivering longer flight durations per charge. Lighter battery design, maintaining the sub-250g weight limit. 5. Portability and design enhancements. The Mini series hallmark feature is its portability, and the Mini 5 Pro is likely to continue the trend with a foldable, travel-friendly design. Key aspects to look forward to include durable yet lightweight materials, providing strength without adding bulk. Improved aerodynamics, potential tweaks to the body for better wind resistance and smoother flights. Compact storage, easy to pack and carry for travel photographers and adventurers. 6. Enhanced safety and obstacle avoidance. The Mini 4 Pro introduced omnidirectional obstacle sensing, and the Mini 5 Pro is expected to refine this even further. Possible improvements include higher accuracy sensors, allowing for more precise obstacle detection in complex environments. Intelligent flight modes, offering safer automated flight paths to avoid collisions. User-friendly warnings, alerts and guidance to assist beginner pilots. Possible release timeline. While DJI has not officially confirmed a release date, patterns from previous launches suggest the Mini 5 Pro could arrive within the next year. DJI typically releases new models in the fall, making it a likely time frame. Enthusiasts are speculating that DJI might tease or announce the drone at upcoming tech events or through social media teasers. Who is the Mini 5 Pro for? The DJI Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be an excellent choice for a variety of users, including beginners, those looking for an easy-to-use, high-quality drone without the hassle of obtaining a license. Travel enthusiasts. Compact size and excellent camera capabilities make it ideal for travel vlogs and adventure photography. Content creators. Enhanced tracking and connectivity options allow for professional-looking footage. Hobbyists. Anyone who enjoys flying drones recreationally and wants top-tier features in a compact form factor. Final thoughts. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is poised to be an exciting upgrade to the already impressive Mini series. With rumors of a larger sensor, smarter AI tracking, better connectivity, and improved battery life, it is expected to deliver a premium experience while maintaining the ease of use that has made the Mini series so popular. Whether you are a beginner looking to explore drone photography or a professional seeking a portable yet powerful aerial tool, the Mini 5 Pro could be the perfect fit. As we await official announcements, the speculation and anticipation continue to grow. What are your thoughts on the DJI Mini 5 Pro? Are you excited about its potential new features like the larger sensor and enhanced tracking? Or is there something else you're hoping to see? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this overview, make sure to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to stay updated with the latest DJI news and tech updates.